Hello my students and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to have unit 4 and as usual we are going through some vocabulary, grammar and examples and some phonics. Kindly write in your copybook from slide 5 to slide 14 please and don't write slide number 10.
Unit 4, page 15. Around town. Conversation time.
A. Listen and repeat.
Number 1.
May I help you?
Yes, please. One ticket to New York.
Number 2.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
Number 3.
What time does it leave?
2:45. Please hurry.
So after we have listened to the conversation, we have learned that if we are going to offer help, we can say, may I help you? Again, may I help you? And if we are going to ask about the time, we can say, what time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? So we can use what time to ask about time. Okay, we have here the most important vocabulary in Unit 4, so let's read it together. Town, I live in a town. Ticket, we buy ticket to enter the museum. Single, which means one thing. Return ticket, when we go back, we buy return ticket. So for example, now I'm going to travel to Alexandria, but what should I do to get back to Cairo? I need to buy a return ticket. Vegetables. You should eat vegetables like peas, carrots, potatoes. Number 6. Fruit. She eats some fruits after her lunch. What kind of fruit? Like apple, banana, and so on.
Unit 4, page 16. Word time.
A. Listen and repeat.
Number 1.
Bus.
Number 2.
Subway.
Number 3.
Airplane.
Number 4.
Train.
Number 5.
Car.
Number 6.
Taxi.
Number 7.
Ferry.
Number 8.
Bicycle.
Unit 4, page 17. Practice time.
A. Listen and repeat. How do they go to school?
They go to school by bus.
How do they go to work?
They go to work by bus.
How does she go to school?
She goes to school by bus.
How does she go to work?
She goes to work by bus.
B. Listen and repeat. Then practice with a partner.
Number 1.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by airplane.
Number 2.
How does she go to school?
She goes to school by bicycle.
Number 3.
How does he go to work?
He goes to work by train.
Number 4.
How do they go to work?
They go to work by ferry.
Number 5.
How does she go to work?
She goes to work by subway.
Number 6.
How do you go to school?
We go to school by car.
Number 7.
How do they go to school?
They go to school by bus.
Number 8.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by taxi.
So here we have the question with how. So we use how to ask about how can we go somewhere, okay? So if we are going to make a question, it's gonna be like how does must be followed by he, she, it, and we have verb in infinitive form. After that, we can use how do plus you, we, they, and we have here verb in infinitive form. Okay, so ازاي هنعمل سؤال يا ولاد عشان اسأل ان انا رايح مكان فين؟ ها؟ Yes, that's right. How does or how do the subject and verb in infinitive form. طيب لو هعمل إجابة هقول إيه؟ We can answer with by vehicle, any vehicle like car, bus, train, okay? Or we can say on foot, which means أيوة صح على رجلينا, okay? So let's read these examples to understand more. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How does she go to work? He goes to work on foot. Number 3. How do they go to the park? They go to the park by taxi. So here we have two different sounds. Number 1 we have the CH and number 2 we have the SH. So if we are going to pronounce the CH sound, we are going to pronounce it like cha, cha. Number 1, chicken, peach, cheese, beach, chin, lunch, cheat, chop. And for the SH sound, we are going to pronounce it like sh. Number 1, fish, shell, shop, seashell, seashore, shin, wash, sheet, leash, cash. So here we have some words that have TCH sound. For example, number 1, kitchen. Number 2, watch. Number 3, witch. Number 4, catch.